Hey Sarah, how's it going? Welcome to the interview. It's great to meet you.
Hi, John. I'm doing well. Thanks for having me. Nice to meet you too.
Awesome. So before we dive in, let's do a quick intro. I'm John, a software engineering manager here at Synco. I've been with the company for about 5 years now, focusing mainly on backend systems and infrastructure. How about you?
Yeah, sure. I'm Sarah. I've been working as a backend developer for the past couple of years, mostly on large scale infrastructure projects. I've got experience with C, Java, and Python, and I'm really excited to be here today and chat with you.
Nice. Sounds like you've worked on some cool stuff already. Well, let's get into it, shall we? Can you tell me about a time you collaborated with a cross-functional team to deliver a project?
Sure. I worked on a project where I collaborated with a front end team to integrate a feature for processing real time data and displaying it on the dashboard. My responsibility was ensuring that the backend could handle the increased data load and deliver updates to the front end in real time without compromising system performance.
How did you ensure that the backend could handle the additional load without affecting performance?
We worked closely from the start, focusing on their requirements and iterating on the API design multiple times to make sure everything fits seamlessly. On my side, I optimized the data pipelines and introduced caching mechanisms to reduce the system load, which helped handle the real time demands efficiently. As a result, the feature was shipped successfully. The front end received real time data with no delays, and we saw about a 25% improvement in overall system performance.
That's impressive. It sounds like the collaboration and your backend optimizations made a real impact. Shifting gears a bit, can you walk me through a technical challenge you faced while working on a distributed system and how you approach solving it?
Absolutely. In one of my previous projects, I was working on a distributed infrastructure system where we had significant issues with data synchronization across multiple nodes in different regions. The latency was higher than acceptable, and this was affecting the user experience. The goal was to improve data latency by at least 30% while still maintaining the reliability of the system.
That sounds like a complex problem. What was your approach?
To tackle the issue, I focused on optimizing the communication protocol. We had been using an HTTP based protocol, which was causing much of the latency. So I switched it to gRPC to significantly reduce the communication delay. At the same time, I introduced fault tolerance mechanisms to ensure system stability, even during network interruptions.
Interesting. How did the results turn out?
The changes worked out really well. We were able to reduce latency by 35%, which was beyond our target. The system also became much more resilient to partial outages, thanks to the fault tolerance measures.
That's fantastic. Impressive work and insights with me today. You did a great job.
Thanks so much, John. I really enjoyed the conversation and appreciate your feedback.
Glad to hear that. It was great getting to know you, and I'm excited about the potential of working together. We'll be in touch soon with the next steps.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to hearing back.
Take care, Sarah, and best of luck.